Welcome. My name is Amanda, and I'm one of the children's librarians at the Thomas Crane Public Library in Quincy, Massachusetts. This video is part of our DIY Children's Program resources. For more program resources, as well as ebooks, streaming movies, TV, music, and much more, please visit thomascranelibrary.org. Today, we're going to use a few simple items to look at static electricity. For these activities, you will need a rubber balloon. The foil ones won't work for this. Next, you will need at least a couple of the following items, but not all of them. You will need Rice Krispies cereal, cracked black pepper and regular table salt, tissue paper, an empty soda can, a styrofoam plate or two. Let's get everything together and get started. Here you can see I have everything put together. I've got my crispy rice cereal. I've got a piece of crepe paper. Tissue paper or crepe paper will both work the same. I have a styrofoam bowl. I have some black pepper. And I have an empty soda can. I've already charged up my balloon. How did I charge it up? I rubbed it on my hair for a bit. I also have another balloon that says no charge. This is because I want to be able to show you that without a static electricity charge, a balloon won't do this just on its own. So first, let's take the no charge balloon and see if it will attract some pepper. A little bit, not much. Now let's try the charged balloon. Let's see. That's a lot more pepper on there. Let's charge it up a little bit more and see if we can get it to work better. Oh yeah, that worked a lot better. You have to make sure it's charged up for it to work. Let's try the rice cereal next. First, let's try our no charge balloon. I even touched the cereal. I only got maybe one. I'm going to charge up my balloon. I picked up 3 pieces of cereal right away. The more charged your balloon is, the more it'll grab. You can watch as I touch them, they'll slide around on the surface of the balloon, trying to get away from your fingers. Let's try the can. Now first, let's bring the no charge balloon near it. Anything? Nope, not really. My balloon attracted the can. What about this paper? Will it attract that too? Let's see. It did. You can see as I move the paper towards it, it starts to go right to the balloon. And then As I pull it back, it stays attached. Again, the stronger the charge, the more it will stick. Now we're going to try the styrofoam bowl. Now starting out, that styrofoam bowl is sitting nicely on that balloon, isn't it? Perfectly fine. Now let's charge both the balloon and the bowl. Because both items are charged, they are repelling each other. If you have two styrofoam bowls, you can sit one like this and try to put the other one over it. It will slide away. Now, all of these activities work better on a dry day than a damp day. But they can still work even if it's raining. It just might not get as strong a charge. See what things you can do with static electricity and let us know. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.